Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you about Boss Linux. I googled the Boss Linux and you can find all the description and abbreviation for Boss Linux. It is Bharati Operating System Solutions. It is derived from the Debian. It is actually officially released in four editions. One is Boss Desktop, Edu Desktop, Boss Advanced Server, and Boss Wool. The latest stable version is 8.0, which now I'm going to show you, and you can see who are the developers. The developers are like first of all NRC FOSS. It is a National Resource Center for Free Open Source. It is an organization created and financed by Indian Department of Information Technology. You can find all the wiki over there, and also CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It is also an autonomous scientific society, and it is also a part of Indian ministry, and like you can see Ministry of Electronics and Information. Now you just go to the Boss Linux website and you can find the four editions over there: Boss Desktop, Edu Boss, and so on. Then click on downloads. If you want to know something, you can scroll and you can check that description. Go to downloads, scroll down, and you can check. There are again four editions over here. Whichever is appropriate, you can download. EduBoss 4 is for educational purpose. Boss Server 2 is for server purpose. Those who are hosting application, they can download that. Right now, you have to download just Boss 8. Download Boss 8, which is an latest version, which I have already downloaded it. I will show you that. It will actually download the ISO image of Boss Linux. You have to write it to the DVD disk by mentioning it as bootable disk. After burning this disk, enter this disk and format your system. Graphical install, select graphical install, and you can find GUI, boss it. Select language and press continue, and then select your location India and configure the keyboard over here. Which language do you need for keyboard? Then wait for the files to be loaded. To load all the components into the system. It will hardly take some around 20 to 30 minutes with the whole setup of this GNU Linux. Then enter the host name you want to be feed as a host name, like I will go with my name, and enter the full name. Then press continue. Then give a username to your system and password as well. Press continue. Now it is time to partition the disk. Use the entire disk, which is recommended. Then use the first option. Second and third is for experts or intermediate level who already knows about Linux, GNU Linux. Then it will then you have to format the disk. Continue. Press yes. Then continue. Wait for the process to complete and load all the data onto the disk. Then load the grub. Select yes and continue. Press on continue. Don't go manually, just select the below one and press continue. Read the description which is shown above. What actually is a GRUB loader, bootloader. Continue. Press continue to finish the installation. To restart the system, select GNU Linux. It will load. Enter your username and password. This is the screen. This is the home screen actually. Right click and you can explore all the menus over here. You can see this all the option and sub menus as well. Double click on computer and you can see the folder hierarchies over there in the left panel, and you can explore these folders as well, or else you can save your data in this. You can explore the menu, all applications. You can find all the applications here. If you don't want to go with the category wise, you can find all application under the all applications menu. Just scroll down. These are all the applications which is by default provided by GNU Boss Linux, and these are all free of cost. You will get. You can also find something like LibreOffice, which is an open source. Generally, if you just check with another operating system, you have to purchase operating system, and then you have to purchase these kind of tools. But here it's not needed. Basically, maximum to maximum applications are provided by default. You can check VLC Media Player as well. Then check for accessories. calculator, etc., etc., screenshot, text editor, etc. And under the graphics, you can see document viewer, image viewer, LibreOffice, etc., etc. And browser you can find under the internet. Then you can see something like Office, the whole tools we generally very hardly will get for other operating system because it's not a free of course. It will be a paid service. Here it is a free service. You can Google this LibreOffice, who have developed it and etc etc. All these details you will get to know. A German-based company has developed it. Libre base is for database. Libre CALC is for Excel kind of thing. Like each and everything have its own features to use it. You can find sound and video, VLC, videos, etc. Sound recorder. Everything you have to explore so that and use it. Only the thing is I can show you here is how actually the applications and application names and what all actually is developed and what all actually is provided to the user by Boss GNU Linux. The rest of the thing is dependent on the users, how they install and they use this operating system. As Boss Linux is also very popular in the performance, and there are also so many operating system available in the online to download and use. We can see here Bluetooth connectivity. I will search for the devices which already I have in my surrounding environment. If you want, you can select any one of them and you can send any data to that device directly. And there are also network setting you can find here, network connections, and you can configure it. Right now I don't like this background, so I will go for editing and settings of this background. I just want like a slideshow kind of thing. So I will just select the delay for 1 minute. I will set it, and I want everything in a random order. So I will switch on this random order. There is no need to always check any apply or OK. And you can explore how many options are being provided under the system settings. Each and every options you can see, and you can also explore these things after installing the OS. See, after changing the settings, we can find something like slideshow under the behind this background. Background is getting changed for each and every 1 minute. This is a lock option. You can lock the system by selecting that option. And now I want to unlock it. Now again I will show you the other option. Yeah. Now you can see switch user, cancel and log out. Now I will show you the shutdown option. This is a freeware and it is also available from Boss Linux. They will send you a DVD as well if you write a mail to them. Thank you.